Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm CryptoDate and today we will be taking you through a quick tutorial on how to stake and nominate from your Kusama account. In our previous video, we talked about how to make deposits and withdrawals from your Kusama account. If you haven't seen that video yet, then we really encourage you to check that video and deposit your Kusama in your account so that you can stake. You can find the link for that in the description below. On Kusama network, nominators are participants in the staking system that are responsible for electing good validators for a share in those validators' rewards and help secure the chain. So let's get straight to know how can you start staking and nominating from your Kusama account starting right now. In order to stake your Kusama tokens, you need to open polka.ui in your web browser. Make sure the selected network is Kusama as shown here on the screen. Now, select accounts and in your My Account section, make sure that you have two accounts set up, one for stash and one as a controller. And in your controller account, you have some fractional balance for signing transactions and executing commands. It is recommended to have two separate accounts, one as a stash and one as a controller. So you can keep stash account offline if you want to and do cold staking and keep your controller account online to execute commands. Once you have the account set up, then select staking from the menu on the left-hand side. You can see there are multiple options available in the top menu bar, such as the account actions subsection allows you to stake and nominate. The payouts subsection allows you to claim rewards from staking. The target subsection will help you estimate your earnings, and this is where it's good to start picking favorites. The waiting subsection lists all pending validators that are awaiting more nominations. Select Accounts action in the top menu bar. Let it load and click on the nominator icon. Select your stash account. In the next tab, select your controller account. Enter the amount you would like to bond for staking. You can use the entire amount from your stash account if you have a separate controller account. Otherwise, make sure to keep some funds aside for transaction fees. Choose the payment destination. You can select between the options, increase the amount of stake, which means this will include your staking reward payout and keep increasing the stake amount. Or you can select do not increase the amount of stake and it will keep your staking amount fixed. Once you have chosen the settings, click on Next at the bottom right corner. Now, here you need to set up your nomination and select the validator you want to nominate. A key thing to remember here is that when looking for validators to nominate, a nominator should pay attention to their own reward percentage for nominating a specific validator, as well as the risk that they bear of being slashed if the validator gets slashed. You can either select the validator from the provided list of candidate accounts, or you can search by name or their address. We will select Staking for All as our nominated account for this tutorial and click on Bond and Nominate at the bottom right corner of the page. Enter your account password and click on Sign and Submit at the bottom right corner of the page. Once your transaction is broadcasted, you can see all the information on your account actions page. You will see waiting nominations and the name of the validator you nominated. Your waiting nomination will change into an active one once an era is complete which usually takes maximum 6 hours depending on the time in the era when you stake. On the Account Actions page, you will also get options to bond more funds if you want, unbond funds if you wish to stop staking, change controller account, change reward destination, and so on. Once the new era begins, your nomination will turn from waiting to an active one, as you can see on the screen here. So guys, this was a tutorial on how to stake and nominate from your Kusama account. You will find all the links in the description below. We hope this was helpful and you guys liked it. Subscribe to our channel, as in our next video, we will be taking you through a quick tutorial on how to stop staking and unbond funds from your Kusama account. Till then, stay active and logical. We will see you in the next one.